My name is Shawn Newman. I've been coming to Signature Smiles for 2 years. Prior to my dental treatment, I would say my smile was awful. I didn't like it at all. I had some dental injuries that were combat related. It really had a profound impact on my confidence because I do professional speaking engagements, so it's really hard to hide your smile when you're speaking in front of hundreds of people. One of the things that prevented me from getting treatment is not liking the dentist. I was pretty much resolved to, I'm never gonna get this fixed. But a friend of mine had recommended Signature Smiles. They also did not like the dentist. First visit, obviously, having a lot of anxiety about the dentist. It was a little scary, but the environment at Signature Smiles is very, very welcoming. Everything from the waiting room to being greeted when you come through the door. You really felt like they formed a connection with you. They understood your dental anxiety. That was one of the first things that they figured out is how anxious you are about the dentist, and they drew up a treatment plan based around that anxiety to yield the best results. Here, the whole staff is very, very knowledgeable. You know, they also worked kind of on your psychology of visiting a dentist. And I think that was actually more profound than anything else because obviously there's follow-up care. So they have to make sure that you're comfortable for all your follow-up visits. They really kind of coached me through the process. I had such anxiety, I had to use an intermediary to actually figure out what the procedure consisted of. They worked with that because I knew if I knew what they were gonna physically do, I wouldn't have shown up. So they worked through all those extra hurdles that they probably don't ordinarily have with a normal patient. I didn't know the results were gonna be that spectacular, I think. The work was fantastic. Confidence is through the roof. And now everything is very bright. I smile a lot, obviously. I feel that I can interact more with my audience on a more personal basis because I'm not hiding anything from them. So not only has it been personally beneficial, it's been probably even more so professionally beneficial as well. I think if someone's scared of the dentist, I think they just have to come in, even if it's just for a walk around, meet the staff. I think the staff will build confidence in someone scared of the dentist. Coming to Signature Smiles, I really don't think there's a reason to fear the dentist. I know you don't know that until you try until you buy, but I think everyone should at least give it a shot.